Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Lombard Takeover, baby.
Oh my God.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep it here. Keep it here, guys. We're gonna stop here, guys. Collect this, and then we're gonna go up. Got everyone? Awesome. All right, guys, get through Lombard! Make a left, bro. Fuck it. Uh-oh. I might go to the right. Faster vehicles! Holy shit. Bastards! Stay, watch the lane, guys. Watch the lane. Blind corner. Blind corner, guys. There we go. Oh, a piece of cake for you. Hey guys, come out of the road a little bit. Fuck it, let's do it. Go ahead. You don't want us in front of you. Nope, you don't. Join the right party, bro.
Pretty quick.
How's it going, Chris?
Good.
Nice to meet you. Good? All right, be a tourist. Let's go. Enjoy. Oh, your best video coming. Go ahead. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Lombard Takeover, baby.
Oh my God.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice. Hey, you're the live feed guy. How you doing, man? Lombard. It's funny, it's like a block away from my house. I do that all the time. Everyone else is like, I've never done that. Kind of cool.
We're good.
So now,
We're all together. We're all
okay, we'll go back down and we'll come back and kind of hit the thing. All right.
That was fun.
It was cool.
That's deeper than I remember.
Yeah, it's a block away from my house. I go down it every day. It's funny. All right, crew, you ready? Let's do it. Okay, go.
I want to do this.